TL Travelers, and welcome to or welcome back to the TL Travel YouTube channel. Today we are here in Puerto Vallarta, Mexico at the Sunset Plaza Resort and Spa, and as I promised in my last video, I am planning on taking you guys on a little bit of a tour, showing you guys around. I have to apologize though for the mess behind me. We exploded our bags the moment that we got here. I don't know if it's just us, but as soon as we know that we're gonna be anywhere for more than 7 days, it's like all of our organizational skills just go out the window and we just unpack and settle in. So again, apologies. We slept with our window curtains wide open last night so that we could wake up to the sunshine, which is exactly what we've done. We have woken to the most beautiful ocean views. One of the most perfect things about this resort is that all of their rooms are ocean view, so you don't have to worry about like facing out to another hotel or facing out into a parking lot. Any room that you get is going to be open out to the beach and the ocean, and yeah, it's like the perfect place to just get up, head out to the balcony, and enjoy a morning cup of coffee or tea or, you know, tequila, whatever you're into. So let me show you around a little bit up here, and then I will give you guys the full tour of the rest of this resort. So at the time that Derek and I are staying here, there are only 2 room types here aside from the penthouse, of course, and that is their suites and then their standard rooms. Their standard rooms are the ones that Derek and I are in right now, and they come with 2 queen beds and an en-suite bathroom, a little sort of like makeup area, dresser, television, all the standard things that you would expect in a standard room. And then they also have this big, beautiful balcony, and that is probably one of our favorite features about this room because usually the balconies are so small, but this one is so deep, so it gives you that privacy to just kind of like hang out if you want to hang out in your swimsuit. So we have enjoyed multiple morning beverages out in that little outdoor seating area. Now, my parents are actually staying in a suite, so I was able to get in there and take a little bit of footage as well. The suites are amazing, actually. They are so much larger than I even thought when I was kind of looking at them online. They have one room when you first enter that has a little kitchenette and a seating area, like a little living room with a television and a full body, full length mirror, if that's something that is important to you. And then the bedroom is attached to that room in its entirely own space. The suites are the rooms that have the king beds, and then they also have like a full jacuzzi, bathtub, and walk-in closet attached as well. So from what I've heard since we got here, there are a lot of people who tend to come to this resort and stay like 1, 2, 3 weeks at a time. So that's probably why they have suites that are built in this way. But I can see how it would just be absolutely the perfect place to just kind of chill out for like an extended period of time. And if you didn't have an all-inclusive package here, you just had like a European package, having that kitchenette would be like a real added bonus. So here's the view of the resort down from the balconies. As you can see, this resort is pretty small, but we really haven't had any problem finding places to sit or places to eat for dining and things like that. If you see those 3 circular pools off to the left, those are the jacuzzi pools, and those are up in an adults only area all by themselves, like in a level above the main pool. Then that main pool there that you can see in the center, that is the more communal pool, and that is where the pool bar is as well. And then up above that is another adults only area. And then of course you have the beach, and there are some beach chairs out there for hotel guests as well that you can use without having to pay an extra charge, which is really, really nice. All of the drinks that we've had here so far have been fabulous. I personally would recommend the Chilate, but I've also been really enjoying adding some Baileys to my morning frappuccinos. There are also 3 restaurants here and 2 bars that you can enjoy. So there is the main sort of a la carte area that is open most often right there by the pool bar. That's more casual and they don't require any reservations, and they have a new a la carte menu pretty much every night. There's also a more formal dining restaurant that does require reservations, more formal a la carte style. There's also a little spot where you can get flatbreads and wood-fired pizza. And then they also have a cafe with morning smoothies and waffles and like cookies and other treats. So if you have a sweet tooth, I would either, you know, make note of that or try a little bit to avoid it as much as you can, because yeah, that can get out of hand pretty quickly, at least for me. Then of course you have your pool bar, and there's also another bar and lounge in the lobby area, or sorry, adjacent to the lobby area when you first come in to the hotel. really enjoyed that little tour of the spot where we're staying. If you have any questions about the Sunset Plaza Resort and Spa, feel free to leave them in the comments area and I'll do my best to answer any questions that you might have. As someone who runs their own travel agency, I do tend to look at properties from that perspective. And also I'm really starting to kind of dig those all-inclusive vibes. And we have been doing a little bit of work for some all-inclusive resorts, like video and photo wise. So maybe you will see a lot more of them in the future. Let me know. Is that something that you guys would want or be interested in? I would love to know. Again, comments, let me know. Next video, we have a pretty sweet ocean view brunch situation and a lot of fun resort things coming up. And the video after that is going to be the wedding. And I'm going to be taking you guys along for the whole thing. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button if you love travel content. We post new travel content every Thursday and Sunday. Until I see you guys in my next video, stay great, travel safe, and I'll see you at brunch. Bye guys.